Hi guys, I am Hayagreeva. Welcome to the course Basics of Astrology. I am starting this lecture to make you understand astrology in a very short and simple way. Let's get started. So let's understand what is astrology, what astrology deals with. Astrology deals with PPF. PPF in the sense past, present and future. Astrology deals with only past, present and future, nothing else. So basically among those three, past and present are either we experienced or events which we are currently experiencing. So the one that is remaining is the future which we do not know what is going to happen. So the question here is, can we change our future? So the short answer is yes, we can modify our future, but only we can reduce the impact of the events that are going to happen in our lives, but not completely removing the events. Also, astrology says the areas where this reduction can happen is loans, diseases, and enemies. In Sanskrit, these are called Runa Roga Shatru. We successfully reached the end of this video, and in upcoming sessions we are going to discuss about Rashis and Chakras, which is basically signs and natal chart. And finally, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and let's meet in the next video.